I have a Braun type 4162, as you can see, and it was not working anymore. I searched a bit on YouTube, and I didn't find anything about this model, so I tried to find a way to open this myself. I broke some small pieces of it trying to open it, but it was no chance to do it, so I finally took the decision to cut it open, because the motor was blocked, so this was not moving anymore, and it was also not spinning. It was completely blocked. When I was pressing the button, it was doing sound like a forced motor which is blocked, so it was not spinning anymore. It was working but not spinning, so I cut it open, and then I found that the rotor is blocked, and I just hit in the end of the rotor a bit with a piece of wood, and now it's unlocked and it's all working again. I accidentally broke the board as well, so be careful. Don't, after you cut this open, don't spin it at all. If you spin it, you'll break the electric board inside. I also repaired the electric board and fit it back in, because I broke about 3 circuits on it. So I used the however it's called. Anyway, I repaired the circuits, and that is all you need to do. As you can see, after a blocked motor, now it's fully working. Okay, so this is the result after fitting the motor back in. I glued up the lower part. I used the epoxy pole. You will need a strong glue, because this here it's all of its power, so when you start it, it tends to go sideways, as you can see. Look at this. And as you can see, the problem is solved now. Mine looks very bad, because I struggled to open it. I was thinking that maybe this part will come out. It does come out, but if you take this part out, here it's a single piece, so you will be unable to open it. I don't know how they fitted the scene, but they probably melted the glue after the plastic, sorry, in this shape after the rotor was the motor was put it inside. I really don't know, so you need to cut it out, and after cutting it out, be very careful. Just pull this part downside perfectly straight. Don't spin it at all. If you spin it, you will break the circuit board inside, which is right somewhere around here, and you'll have to repair that as well, as I did. Of course, I broke it, so I repaired that as well, because I broke 3 circuits on the board. I had to rebuild the circuits, but now it's fully working. So my problem was that the rotor inside the motor, so the rotor is the middle part, the one that spins, was completely blocked. I don't know why. I didn't knew it's blocked, because if I knew it's blocked, I will just tap it like this, or like this. As you can see, this clicking noise, it's made by the rotor, by this part that it's spinning. So this is the rotor connection. So this is the rotor. If I would do this 3-4 times, I would have solved the problem, but I didn't knew which the problem is, so I had to open it. But at least it will be helpful for you, so you don't have to cut it out if you get the same problem as I did. I really don't understand why the rotor was blocked inside, because no water or grease or nothing else didn't get in, so it's a bit hard to understand that, but who knows. So before opening it, try doing this several times, or like this. If you hear that click, that means that your rotor, it's not blocked, and it should be work. As you can see, forward and backwards, both sides working. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe. It will be helpful for others as well. So remember, this is Braun type 4162. Household type. That's for a moment. Bye bye.